Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Some update to my HyperCube 3D printer. As you will see here, I have replaced this Z-axis stepper motor with an integrated lead screw. The stepper motor originally came with this 300mm lead screw. I have it replaced with this 500mm lead screw as demonstrated by technical video. If you want to know how to replace it by your own, check out his video. I have put up a link on my video description. Here are the Z-axis resonance test results. The white one before the replacement, and the blue one, of course, after the replacement. The result was far from perfect, but it's definitely an upgrade. If you are still struggling whether or not to replace it on your own and demonetizing your stepper motor and have the performance degrade, judging from the results, I would say, who the heck, let's demonetizing some stepper motor. I finally printed out a spool holder and attached to the frame over here. And here is the LED strip. Also here and over there. The LED strips are powered by this FET driver, and the brightness can be controlled by this MKS Gen main controller. I also installed a couple of this camera clip around the frame for the cover, sort of cover. Let's take a look. The cover I'm going to install is actually made of paper. Yes, cardboard paper. Why? It's because it's moreover, I'm pretty sure I will mod this printer sooner or later. Using paper is much more cost and effective. With the LED turned on, it looks pretty nice. Not bad at all. One last thing I added is this spring wire. It went together with all these cables up and then down to the frame here. This spring wire is about 0.7mm in diameter. It will keep all these cables stay up and will not fall down during printing. The brightness of the LED strip can be controlled by GCode command. That's all for all the update. Thanks for watching. See you next time.